Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk Halloween, specifically Halloween with Country Craft Creations. Got two collections this year from that are exclusive to Country Craft Creations. I think will cover your Halloween paper crafting needs, and hope you'll check it out. They are available online at the Country Craft Creations store. If it shows sold out, don't panic because she's having them reprinted, and those will be back in the store shortly. This one here on the left is Midnight Ride. Now I've already shared a detailed product share on this one in a video that I titled Design Team Package Share, and it was August the 7th. If you want to go back and look at this collection, I am going to be still hoping to make an album out of this. Things are really hectic and busy around here. I have a lot of collections to work with. But I do want to do something with these two, so I'm going to do a really quick little project, share with you and show you how to do a little project, and then I'm going to make an album, I think, out of this one and hopefully this one as well. So I want you to go check that video out to look at this collection called Midnight Ride. It was dated August 7th on my channel, called Design Team Package Share. It was along with the Christmas Dreams, which I still have to work on that. But let's just thumb through real quick. You get the 2 sheets of the cut aparts, which has this on the back. You get 2 sheets of the cards, and it has this on the back, a real pretty purple. Then you get 3 sheets of each print. So I'm going to show you the front and the back real quick of these. The front and the back, you get 3 of each. Okay? Front, back, front and the back. Some gorgeous vintage images here for your Halloween. Front, back. This is the extra. The front and the back. Love the spiders and the spider webs. Front and back. Pumpkins. Jack-o'-lanterns, front and back. So that is the Midnight Ride, exclusive to Country Craft Creations. Then I'm going to move this aside. And now I want to go over this one in detail. This is Bewitching Hour, and it is also exclusive to Country Craft Creations. It's a little bit different. Midnight Ride's a little darker looking. This one has lighter colors. So it kind of gives you a variety of both. So I'm going to run through this one and show you. This is the cover sheet. A little bit more detail on this one because I hadn't shared this one yet. As you see here, you've got all the images shown here. You could actually cut little tags out of this if you wanted to and use this because it's the same paper as your collection. And actually, see here. Okay, yeah, it is a cotton Bristol, so you can use that. Lay this aside. So the first thing, of course, you're going to get 2 of the tags, the cut aparts. So this is the front and this is the back. Reverse this. Love that check. So see those? Lots of cute images with the goblins and ghosts and ghouls. Tamara and Sally, the happy ghost witches, the jack-o'-lanterns. It's all just adorable. A lot of kind of vintage vibe, but yet you have this lighter color in the background. So there's that. You get, like I said, 2 of this. Then you get your cut-apart cards. You have your 3x4s, a 4x6, a couple of those. You get 2 of these in your collection, and I love the background of this one. Look at the dots. Isn't that pretty? So we have Trick or Treat, Witching Hour, Broom Rides, 5 cents. The pricking of my thumb, something wicked display comes. Eat, drink, and be scary. Okay, so here's our papers. You get 3 of each. I'm going to show you the front and the back. Got this wonderful ghost and jack-o'-lanterns with the spooky trees, and then this nice blue plaid here. And we have these spider webs in the background with the ghost. Let's see, front and back. Got some nice borders on the back side. As you can see, there's 3 of each. Got one reversed so that we can see it real quick. This one is kind of a pretty scary Halloween. I mean, it's got the pretty flowers, the light background color, but it's got a witch. So that's kind of fun. There's the back. A nice wood looking for that. This is going to make a really fun little album. I love, look to me here, let me get this one. Love this next one. So here we have the little circles you could punch out or cut into strips. It's your bubble, twirl, and trouble, boil, fire, burn, and cauldron. And then on the back side we have these spiders with the blue tones and the spider webs on the white background. Colors can show up really well for you. 3rd sheet there. Then we have this beautiful magical gourds for All Hallows Eve. So this, you know, you could cut this out and use it for Thanksgiving, I think. And then you've got the pretty dark color with the gold looking speckles. That, bubbles, whatever you want to call those. And then this is down where you can cut it into 4s. Candy corn and the jack-o'-lantern and the cauldron. And on the back side we have the smaller, so you can get smaller squares out of that. So that's really cute. There's your 3rd sheet on that one. Next is this fabulous purple with the spooky tree and the webs and the funny spider and the stars in the sky and the moon and the haunted house. And then these are the 2 witches that we say are Tamara and Sally, because they call each other a witch. Those are really cute. You got the smoke coming out, and then the back side is the same image, smaller, like your 6x6. So you could cut these into 4s like that. On this next design sheet, we have the same little image again, except these are in 4x4s. So you get 9 of these that you could cut out, and these would be great if you're going to make party invitations for a Halloween party or send out cards or something. And then on the back side you get this really cute stars on the purple. So there's 3 sheets of that. And then we have this beautiful collage type with the masquerade, and behind a pretty mask we hide so not one soul can see inside. And we have the pumpkins and the jack-o'-lantern with the witch's hat. So different elements that you could fussy cut out or just use the whole page. So this is really nice. And then you have the smaller print here, and it is divided up so that you could easily cut that out for cards as well. So 3 sheets of that one. And then the last one is the smaller of that large collage print that you can cut out into 4x4s. And then you have this on the back, which is, let's see, yes, it is a repeat of the one on the back of the other sheet. So that gives you a lot of options there. So there's 3 of those. So that is the Bewitching Hour collection, Country Craft Creations. And then again, I have the Midnight Ride for some Halloween crafting. So I'm going to make a quick little project using both of these, and then I will try to focus on making a small album with this one, and then try to do one of this one. I have several projects I need to do. Things are upside down here at my house right now. We've got closets emptied out. We're getting flooring redone, some new carpet in the living room and things like that. So I'm trying to work around that. I have a closet full of stuff on one of my work tables in here and on the floors, and so I'm just having to walk around that and try to get my work done in the office, and then also here in my craft room. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you'll know when I do share a project for these paper collections. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com for your crafting supplies, your exclusive paper collections. There's so many that are out right now, and there's more to come. So thanks again. Bye-bye.